So this victory by the U.S. women's national football team in their class action equal pay lawsuit against the U.S. Soccer Federation, on the face of it, it sounds like a victory for the equality of the sexes and blah, blah, blah. But this is a dangerous ruling that threatens the balance of the sport of football. This kind of thing would never happen in a real football country for the very simple reason that women's football does not generate anywhere near the amount of revenue that the men's game generate at any level. And it is not even close. Case in point, the men's World Cup in 2018 generated revenues of 5.36 billion US dollars. That is over 5,000 million US dollars. While the Women's World Cup in 2019 generated just about 130 million US dollars. And this is generally the kind of disparity that separates men's football from women's football. Professional club football for the women is a joke compared to the men's pro game. And look, no bother with the sexism argument. In sports like tennis and track and field, where women generate equal or more revenue than men, them forget equal or even more money than the men. But this one here is looking more like a political ruling than a football ruling. Don't.